So today the topic is choice. How does it get any better than this?
Good morning.
Good morning, Revati. And all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate them all? Right, wrong,
Yes.
good, bad, awkward, all 100 shots, boys, provides, basic occasions, and beyond. Now, choice. Is choice a concept for you? Most of us, no. We don't think choice. What is choice? Okay, let's go for it. What is choice? Anybody?
Choice is something which gives us desired outcome.
So you are always looking for a desired outcome. So is that a choice? No. That is a desired outcome. That vested in what you want to create.
Yeah.
What if you chose just for the fun of it? Have you ever chosen anything just for the fun of it? Hi, Param. Hi, Betty. Good morning.
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग आई एम बाहर ग्राउंड में घर पहुंच रही
Good, good, good. I am still
Good
discovering
morning,
what's.
Kanwa.
Good morning.
I'm
still.
hoping to
Yes.
please send contributions my way.
Yes, please. Let's give her contribution for whatever she desires.
My head is not.
We can
I'm
spread our.
I'm in a bad state.
All right. We spread our arms and gather all the energy that she requires and desires, and her body, sweet body, is asking for, and send it her way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
Thank you for asking. So the topic
That
is
was
choice.
wonderful. That was wonderful exercise.
Sorry, what did you say, Revati? I didn't hear.
I said that was a wonderful exercise.
Thank you. It's so easy. And we think we have to do so much, we have to give so much, we have to staple, turn, fold, mutilate ourselves to give something somebody. It's just like that. Send the energy with no point of view. So what has it been for you discovering what choice is? I am still discovering. So how many of you are like, okay, this tool, I will go think about it, work it out, what choice I should make? Oh my God, so much choice, so much time thinking about what this would show up, what would be the outcome if I choose this. And how many of you say, if I had a choice? Oh, we go live on Insta and we go live on Facebook. Oh my God. I just remembered. Good for remembered at least. We are now live on Insta and Facebook, and the topic today is choice. So choice. What is choice? How many of you have had the concept of choice? Or are you still discovering what choice is? Or are you of those people who say, oh, I'll have to think it over. I'll have to see what the result of this choice would be. I'll have to. And so much of time we spend on making a choice because the outcome should be exactly the way we want it to come. And how many of you say, I had no choice? I could do this because my children were there, because my husband didn't like it, because my mother-in-law, because I didn't know what the outcome would be. I know. I thought I never had any choice. It's an excuse, I came to know in Access. It's an excuse to commit to self. If you committed to choice, you will have to commit to yourself. How many of you keep asking for change? How many of you do not like where you are and would like to change things? Truth. Anyone here? No, everybody can choose. So, okay, we are done. Bye bye. We are finished. Everybody can choose. Thank you, Mamta, for being honest. Everybody
I
else
want
here
to,
has choice.
I want to choose. I have shown my hand.
Sorry.
I have raised.
Okay, I didn't see your
I
hand.
said I've raised my hand.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Thank you, Revati. Who else? Who else thinks they have choice? Or who else do not think that they have choice? Everybody has choice. Only Mamta and Revati can stay, the rest can go. Hi, Cherry. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I also believe I don't have choice.
Thank you for being honest.
Okay.
Okay.
This is bringing so much energy in me that I have a choice.
Yeah, just recognize. So the question comes is, how do you handle situations? How do you choose? What do you choose when what shows up?
What I play is what else is possible? That question. So I have received a lot of answers and it has helped me also. And it has appeared also in my life, the choices. When I play this, what else is possible? I always keep playing this. What else is possible? What else is
So beautiful. Thank you for that. Usually, what do? We look at things and then we have all the conclusions and all the computations and all the belief systems come running, and then, oh, this is possible, this is not possible. Most of the time, it's not possible. Okay, let's take an example. You order something, when it shows up, you are not happy because you had pictured something else. What do? Then what do? How do you handle it?
I would
Right,
return it.
Sorry,
return it.
one at a time. Yes, Mamta?
Return it. Try to return it if possible.
You're talking about here, you're talking about materialistic things, yeah? Supposing somebody says something to you.
I will try to forget, forgive now at present and surrender. Like it's their journey. It's their choice to talk like this or to say like this. But why should I take it? Aata hai, but immediately change and use the questions, tools.
Do you,
Return it to the sender with consciousness
honest to
attached.
yourself, do you, I'll come back to you, Devti. Honest to yourself, do you forgive it, forget it?
Yes, yes.
And it never comes back to you that time this happened.
No, the frequency, I mean, say from 1 to 10, it will be very less. But sometimes it doesn't come on. I literally write on the paper, burn it.
Awesome. How does it get anywhere? Can I give you some more tools?
Yes, yes, definitely.
When and where have I done this? Because when something is coming in front of you, in your face, it's wanting to change. It's not wanting to put under the carpet. That we've always done. We have put things under the carpet. We think we have forgiven. They'll come in a different form again. They keep coming because we have not faced it. Right? One is return it to sender with consciousness attached.
Yes.
One is when and where have I done this? If the things keep coming again and again, then it's not yours. Or it's trying to tell you something that, oh, here, look at this, and let's give it up for once and all.
Learning.
There's nothing to learn. You are an infinite being. You know it all. You just don't want to acknowledge that.
The learning and acknowledge is nearby. Like I'm acknowledging it कि ये हुआ. Okay, what is the learning from this? Then I'm easy to forget it. कि
Okay. If that works for you, awesome. If you are in a constant state of question, then you're also in a constant state of choice.
yes.
And also in a constant state of creation. So I
Wow.
would always ask question. Not go into ये तो ऐसे ही है, ये तो ऐसे ही करेगा. He or she is like that. They will always do like this. I will forget it. I will send it back. Sometimes it works. If it doesn't concern you, if it does, if it keeps coming back and there is something for you to look into. Am I making any sense?
Yes. Can I ask a question?
Sure, now go for it, Revati.
Yeah. I just want to know what this everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be.
It's a crazy statement that we have in access consciousness, and it is used when you're running a lot of things in your head, the same thing, a story or something, and you got caught in that and you can't come out of it. Just say this a few times and you will be out. Second, when somebody is troubling you and going on and you cannot refuse them or send them away or go yourself, if you start using, then people will stop talking. And third is if you can't sleep at night, and that is also usually because we are thinking too much, and that time you use this, it is very effective. The meaning I don't know, but what I understand from it is कि जो दिखता है वो है नहीं,
Okay.
जो है वो दिखता नहीं.
Okay.
Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be.
Appears to be.
जरूरी नहीं है जो दिख रहा है वही है उसके what you can see. And don't you think that what you see is exactly how it is? There is a lot of layers, a lot of people, a lot of belief system, lot of stories that behind it. And they are saying something from their belief system and their stories, and you are picking it up from your belief system and your story. It cannot be in
Match.
sync with or coordination with, or so what you see is not exactly, because that's your belief system. That's your way of looking at things. That's not exactly what it is. There are 10 people sitting there and somebody says one sentence, everybody has a different meaning for that. Everybody relates to it differently. So there is nothing what that said and you say, this is it. It never is. So when you're confused, this helps a lot. Everything is the opposite of what appears to be. Nothing is the opposite of what appears to be. Revati, did you get it?
Yes, I did. I was listening to the Symphony of Possibilities last night of dance, and it started with this. So I wanted to.
Cool.
I was listening to this.
Cool. It's all a choice, an action that you take.
Hmm.
So when you see a thing, we were asking a question, when you see a thing or when you hear a thing, when somebody says something to you, you handle it exactly the way you think it is. Because of you have filters. Everything that comes towards you, you go take it through the filters.
Hmm.
And what if you just saw the energy of attraction, contraction, or energy of lightness? Would that give you the clarity rather than going into the story? Oh, this feels light. Oh, this is contracted. What's this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? What's right about this I'm not getting? How does it get any better than this? Where and when have I done this? So you are just saying those questions not for the answers, but for the awareness. The moment you say those questions and let it go and keep doing your work, the awareness will come and you say, oh, I could have chosen this. Oh, I'll do this. And the clarity starts to keep coming in. And it's also comes down to you trusting you. Our information is
Hmm.
coming, but you're not trusting you, and you say, no, it's not this. I must ask that one. I must do this. This is not the right. Yeah, there's no question in that. Is there a question in that when you go into conclusion? Gary always says, don't trust me or anyone else. Trust you. What do you know? What are you aware of? And I started with what is choice. But what if we didn't define choice? What if we never define it, never make it significant, and yet choose? Choose what's light, choose what's fun, choose what works. Not because, oh, I can't go out with my friend today because. That's not a choice. Hey, body, would you like to go? Hey, will it create greater? What fun would I have if I go? How much will it contribute to me if I go? There is no conclusion. There are only questions there. And you get the awareness. You get to choose what works for you. Just because somebody else is choosing different, you too have to choose it too? No. You still have a choice to see what works for you. What works for me may not work for you. And once you start choosing, you expand your realm of choices. Now, how many choices do I have? I could do this, I could do this, I could do this. No. Earlier, I used to have just one or two, either or choice. You make a choice and something shows up.
Yes.
And if it doesn't work for you, okay, not a good choice. Bye-bye. Next. You make a choice. I used to make a choice and say it's a done deal. Now I have to live by it all my life. No, choice is only good for 10 seconds.
Can you relate this to the marriage?
To the marriage. In our country, it's like when you marry for good.
For
You have,
lifetime?
you have no choice. This is mass consciousness on planet. That when you choose, not only in our country, but everywhere else, when you choose, you have to choose for life. I'm asking you a question. Are you having a life when you're not happy?
No, but we continue to.
So write down the questions. Write down what am I getting out of this relationship? What will I lose when I leave this relationship? And see what's light. We keep choosing it because everybody, what would the other people say, because it's not a done thing. And second is we don't trust ourselves that we can have a life that we really desire.
And it's a commitment.
It's a commitment to yourself. Ha ha ha.
Isn't it?
Can you commit to yourself in where you're not happy? Is that a commitment? Is there your commitment to life to be not happy? Or is it a commitment to somebody else? Is it a commitment to choice? Even the children would rather prefer not having the undercurrents or the fights or whatever is going on and the unhappiness. They would also want to see happy parents. The fear of how it's going to show up doesn't allow us to choose. And that fear has gone off because I know now by asking a question, I know what's light for me will work for me. Because over these 14 years, I have seen whenever I've chosen what's light, always creates what's light. And I am willing to do whatever it takes to create that lightness in my life. Are you willing to do that?
This is for the creamy layer.
This is for the
Creamy layer.
what is for the creamy layer?
Actually, it's for the people who are rich. They can make a choice.
Oh.
What about the ones who are dependent?
Oh,
What about
that's
the-
interesting. In fact, the ones who have a lot of money cannot make this a choice because they know they'll lose all that. They keep staying there because of the money.
No, I'm talking about the labor classes, where there is a constant fight day in and day out.
Labor classes take no time to leave. What are you talking about? Labor classes now are more aware. It's the middle class that suffers because they're always worried about the society. How many of you wake up in the morning and your mind goes, you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this? Or even, should I have tea or should I have coffee? Don't have anything, or should I go to this? Or what will the children have? How many of you just get up with a smile and take 5 minutes in your bed and nurture yourself and give yourself a hug and ask your body, what would you like today? How many of you do that? Or you have a full agenda that has to be done with getting up?
Full agenda.
Hi, Manisha. Didn't see you, sorry. And Nippy. How many of you have agenda? Rather than just
Good morning.
Me for sure.
Yeah, you're honest. Thank you for being honest. How many, I've heard Dane say a million times, I have made more bad choices than most people have made choices. Isn't that profound? He keeps making choices. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, now next. Okay, now. How many of us have never made choice because we are so scared of it, or made very few choices because we don't trust ourselves, because we don't know what the outcome is going to be, because we cannot make it because we don't know the outcome? How many of you? Choice ही ना कर.
scared of the outcome also.
Yeah,
Hmm.
choose ही मत करो, बैठे रहो, surrender कर दो, like Mumta said.
Comfort zone.
जो होगा देखा जाएगा, उसमें adjust कर, whatever happens will happen, we will just adjust it.
तो फिर वो comfort zone हो गया.
Comfort zone नहीं
Wherever
होगा.
there
It's
is
not
no
a
choice,
commitment to
there is
yourself.
surrender.
You're happy with
Yes.
not committing to yourself. So my question to you is, what are you not choosing today that you could choose? That you could be choosing, that will allow your life to show up as ease, joy, and glory. And everything that doesn't allow that, would you be please willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, pervades, bases, questions, and beyond.
Wherever there is no choice, there is surrender.
What am I not choosing?
What was it? What am I not choosing that if I could be choosing it, it would allow my life to show up as ease, joy, and glory. How about just choosing that? I'll have that. I'm going to have that. And then you are in sync with the universe, and universe will show you. That's a demand you make of yourself. You can demand only for yourself. You cannot demand for anybody else. So it's very easy. Demand of yourself, request to the universe. That's what it takes. I'm having this. How often do you say, I'm having this? Oh, I can't have it because this, I shouldn't. I too much money, people will not like it. Just try it. For the sake of trying it, just because Kamal said it on Sunday, one of the Sundays. I'm having it. And then just leave it with no. And every thought that comes in your mind says, okay, bye, I don't know, I'm having it. Then the thought will come, no, I'm not listening to you. Bye, go away. I'm having it. And any story that runs, pock and pot it. Lower your barriers and say, I'm having it. One full day, think of one thing and just do not go into the story and just say, I'm having it. Universe, I'm having it. Body, let's have it. Look at how you would like your life to be. Do you love your life? Do you absolutely love your life? Do you have more sense of peace in your world? Peace with you, peace with your work, peace with your body, peace with people around? No, not at all, Kamal. So every morning, what would I like to choose now? Or during the day, whenever you're choosing, rather than I should choose this, I shouldn't choose this, I must choose this, I mustn't, get rid of these must do shoulds. What would I like to choose now? Am I happy with every aspect of my life? Which area? Am I choosing what I desire? Or have I become complacent just because I have everything? What else? What else? Oh, I'm greedy. Am I being greedy? Am I not satisfied? I'm not satisfied. I'm greedy. I'll have that. I'll have that. I'll have that. I'm an infinite being with infinite choice, with infinite possibilities, with infinite everything. Why would I just choose little? What if I actually asked for more? And whenever I do ask for more, it's very interesting. An energy pops up. And then when the energy comes up, not only in me and everybody around, and then there is some people who will say, I'll have what she's asking. Some people will say, oh my God, they'll judge. They will judge. They will project. I will have. When people project that I have lots of things and lots of money and I'm rich bitch, universe has to give it to me to make me that true. Make everything everybody wishes make true. Universe makes your wishes true. You say you can't do it, you can't. You say you can. Energy pops up in other people's world. This is what I've noticed, not mine, but you get to do the energetic projections. Oh, don't you have enough? Oh, she's greedy. Isn't that crazy? It's evil to ask for more. No, it's not. Please, if you like to ask for more, go for it. Everything you desire and more. The one you don't even know. Don't be satisfied. Stagnant. Kai jam jayegi. What you have, sorry, 1 minute. What you have and what you're asking for is actually 2% of what you actually can deserve. Yes, Sangeeta.
No, what about if you don't have any choice
Revati,
left?
is 1 minute. I think Sangeeta is asking something, then I'll come back to you. Yes, Sangeeta? Can I have a look at you, please? People, there is a rule. If you want to ask a question, you have to show yourself.
मैंने तो पूछा ही नहीं क्वेश्चन कोई और संगीता
अच्छा आपका ये ऑन हो रहा था इसलिए मैंने बोला सॉरी यस रेवती गो फॉर इट
What if there is no choice left? Do we
ये तो
surrender?
है ही नहीं ना इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल इट्स इन योर माइंड यू डोंट हैव एनी चॉइस यू ऑलवेज हैव चॉइस you may not want those choices you may have those vested interests or vested points of views or belief system that I have no choice. Truth, you have choice. Ask, what choice do I have here? What choices do I have here that I cannot see? Universe, can you help me with that? What if starting today was about you asking whatever it is that you truly desire and deserve? What you desire and deserve is not in your belief system. What you desire and deserve is surrounded by all the do's and don'ts and shoulds and musts and all. You are an infinite being. You desire and deserve everything and anything. Everything doesn't allow you to believe that. Would you be willing to destroy none carried on? Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, all 100 shots, boys, pavad, basis, questions, and beyond. We do things not from choice. We just do it like a zombie robots.
Okay, I just want to tell you one thing that is, before doing this access consciousness and also the bars, my creativity was very limited. Now, every time I feel there's a lot of creativity which is happening, a lot of ideas are popping in. Is it because of the bars that I have done, or is it because of the clearing statements that I'm doing from the access consciousness? What is it that is happening?
What do you know? Ask. And what does it make a difference? If you knew that it is because of the bath, if you knew because it is because of the clearing statement, what would you do? It is because all of that. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at start to change. Your perspective, perspective is changing, things are changing. Could be anything. Your choices. I think you should, I would be in your position, I would be grateful for it and not finding out what is it, because everywhere we are looking for because we are stuck. We are not willing to get the money because we have not earned it. We are not willing to get more money because we don't deserve it. We are not willing to get money because we don't work. We don't. What if the money was just showering on you? Would you have to find out where it's coming from? Then only you can take,
No.
right? There is a disturbance from somewhere, I think. It will come in the recording. Who's it? Mamta, is it from your place? Thank you. Is it making any sense, Revati?
Yes.
Look at everything. Look at every choice you make. What is the... okay, I'll take this. And then take a paper and pencil and write, what is making me choose this? Am I choosing it for myself? Am I choosing it for my children? Am I choosing it because the society wants it? Am I choosing it? Pock and pod all those. And then ask, what would work for me? What can I choose that will create greater for all? And choose it. I'm choosing it.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, sure, go for it.
Why? See, why is it such a question? This illness that I suddenly have, am I choosing it?
Are you? Is it light when you
No.
say? Is it light when I say, are you?
It's very heavy.
Lower your barriers.
Mm.
Pock and pod all your points of views. What makes me choose what I'm choosing? Because I know 100% when I am truly choosing something, I am 100% committed to my life. If you're not committed to your life and you're committed to the world or people or places or things, that is when you don't choose for yourself. If you were aware, would you choose it? No. So, universe, can I have clarity? What makes me choose this? And everything that is, I like to give it up. Right, wrong, good, bad, popcorn, all 100 shots, boys, provides basis questions and beyond. Now tell me, you're choosing this truth? Yes or no?
No.
If there was no way that anything that's happening to you is somebody doing to you, then what do you think is getting what do you think how this is getting created? It's a law like gravity. Do you today think that if I throw a pencil it'll go up?
Of course not.
So it's a law that whatever is happening or to you, you think is happening to you, you are creating it.
Okay.
And if that is the law, then whatever you're going through is your creation. Yes or no doesn't matter. It's your acknowledgement. The moment you acknowledge it, it will go. Children come to you and they will want what they want. And if you don't just keep ignoring them, they will stick there and they will cry, they will throw tantrums, they'll do anything. But the moment you acknowledge them, I'm hungry. Oh, baby, I'll just get something for you. And then you go to make it and they are nowhere. They've just been acknowledged. Now you're looking for them to come and have what you cooked for them. Exactly the same way your body is trying to throw tantrums and telling you, the moment you acknowledge that I am the one I don't even know, can I have clarity and awareness about this, please? Universe, what energy, space, consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in all of this? And everywhere I am not acknowledging that if I only acknowledge it would change my reality for all eternity, destroy and uncreate it, you can have a different view. You can have a different life. You can have a different aspect. But if you do not see the things as they are, and you're looking outside for it to get cured or it to get eased or somebody else to do it for you, sorry, it won't happen. When you're truly choosing something, you are 100% committed, even if you don't know it. If you're not 100% committed to your life, then you're always having someone to blame. It's always someone or something else at fault. What if you started taking action for your life? You started choosing, and every single thing that you're creating currently is because you chose it. Everything that is not showing up in your life the way you would want it to show up, would you be please willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
It's not about right and wrong. It's not about going into the judgment. This is about being brutally honest with yourself about what it is you'd like your life to be. What would I like my body reality? What would I like my financial reality to look like? What would I like my life to look like? And how do I create it? Universe? Question, 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 question.
Kaval, beautifully explained.
Yes,
Beautifully.
you have given so many tools today.
Thank
I
you.
love you.
I love you too. Now we go to Vijay.
Yeah, so you just said one clearing for Betty that what how you created it. Can you repeat it? I want to just note it down. That was very beautiful.
I don't know what you're talking about. What what was it? Tell me some reference to it, then I change it and choose.
You said like
You
Betty
wrote
asked
you
for
wrote
how,
something. Tell me what you wrote.
I wrote a one clearing that what energy, space, and consciousness can I have to get total clarity on this situation or this illness or body. Before that, you said one thing that was actually very beautiful.
Was it about committing?
No, body is giving awareness that what how I mean what make this what has come to this to choose this something like that. I forgot.
Anybody else remembers it?
Is it something like what should I choose, or am I
No.
choosing what I desire?
Like body is showing illness. So what makes to choose body this
What
illness
Okay, what
situation?
choice did, yes, Manisha, do you know?
what make me to choose this?
Okay, what choice
Simple.
created this? It could be what choice created this, and what am I choosing that's creating this? Because it's, you have to acknowledge that और बाहर से कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Nothing is happening, or nobody can do anything to you if you do not allow it. Anything that's happening to your, in your life, in your body, is your creation, your point of view, your belief system from lifetime after lifetime.
I think you said, Kamal, where and when I have done this.
Where and when I've done. Yes. So, what consciousness can you invite into your world? The moment you're conscious, you will never choose. It's unconsciousness that makes us choose things. The moment you're conscious, you will never choose anything against yourself or anybody else. What would I like my life to look like? What could I be choosing to be a contribution to myself, to my body, to the world? What if I could be something that changed the world? What can I do and be that would change the world? What am I already being that is changing the world? Acknowledge that too. You are crucial to the possibilities of the universe. I like to increase my communion with the earth, with the universe, with each and every being. That doesn't mean you have to be thick and thin with somebody else. No. That's just being aware of every moment as to what choice would create greater. A place that is nurturing. Can you give me 1 minute? There's somebody outside. I'll just press a button and talk. Okay, here I am.
I have a question. Can I have?
Yes, go for it.
Somebody is blaming me. You said so and so 4 साल पहले, and we have a fight because of what you have said. एंड आई एक्सेस में आने के बाद मैं मुझ में काफी बदलाव आए हैं आपकी वजह से, सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू यू. लेकिन वो मुझे ब्लेम कर रहे हैं एंड मैं उसका इफेक्ट हो रही हूँ एंड खुद को इतना गिल्टी फील करती हूँ. एंड मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या था, अभी नहीं है वो, मैंने एक्नॉलेज करा है, पॉक एंड पॉड किया है कि अ मैन कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट लेडी एंड अ लेडी कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट मैन. ये मेरा बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था.
ये
लेकिन
24 साल से रह रही है विदाउट अ मैन और never needed another one.
हाँ, तो ये मुझे ब्लेम करते हैं कि आपकी ये कहने की वजह से उन्होंने उससे गलत मीनिंग निकाला कि एक.
दिस इज गोइंग इनटू द स्टोरी. करने तो ब्लेम हो जाएगा.
ओके.
क्या होगा? अभी क्या हो रहा है? The moment
अभी
you
नहीं.
let go of the guilt,
ओके.
you are not projecting that, the other person not getting the energy, they will get out of it. The moment you go into pock and pod, lower your barriers, pock and pod, no more. I am not guilty. I'm an infinite being. I chose it that time and I chose it. Now I'm not choosing it. Fuck you. Auntie ji, आवाज आ रही बात. Painters have come. Let me just give a key and come. ये लो बेटा. Sorry guys. So,
कवर वन रिक्वेस्ट.
yes.
आज का जो क्लास है आप डायरेक्ट उसमें डाल सकते हो कि
Sorry?
डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है? Today's class, can you direct put it on the group or you have to download it?
डाउनलोड तो करना ही पड़ेगा, फिर भेज डाल दूंगी, यहाँ भी डाल दूंगी, वहां भी डाल.
It takes time, a day or two.
No, I'll do it today.
Yeah, so thank you.
You're welcome. Let's ask for more, guys.
So, I would like to ask something.
Go for
This
it.
my situation, I know my whatever I choose, it comes from past references and projection. I do so many clearings for those things, still feel stuck on those point
Clearing
of view that
help. Choice helps. You keep clearing, you keep choosing the same thing, nothing will change. Nothing can
Okay.
change. Clearings, you can keep running till the cows come home. It will not change. Your actions will change. Clearings are only to give you clarity and give you reminder and be there when awareness of choice. If you keep choosing the same thing again and again, what are the clearings going to do?
why I am
There's a
not having that
conflict.
courage.
There's a conflict. मैं ये चाह रही हूँ पर मैं कर रही हूँ. मैं चाह रही हूँ, मैं कर रही हूँ. मैं चाह रही हूँ, मैं कर रही हूँ. It can't change. You have to change the way you look at things. The things you look at will change. Can you give me an example?
Yeah, so my job is my biggest thing, where I invest my time
Now
and
look
energy
at
more.
yourself. Look at yourself. What's your point of view about job? Job is more important than you.
Yeah, ऐसा ही हो रहा है.
हो नहीं रहा, आप कर रहे हो. You're not
Because
valuing yourself.
money is my biggest factor which is driving me.
Money is
And
not the problem, you are. Money is everywhere around. It's like air.
my past references come in between where I choose something, and 3 times it happened that I choose something and it didn't work out, and I'm so much stuck on those point of view that again it will happen. That what will I do?
Because you are the one who's creating it. Forget if it doesn't happen. I know something else will show up. It's always shown up. Have you sat at home? No. You
I
always got
did.
this job or that job or something else. You'll always create something. But the moment you believe that you can't, you can't. Your point of view creates your reality. Have you done How to Become Money Workbook? I'm starting it again.
Yes. I
Please
did
do it as
in
many 100 times you're supposed to do it. Please do it sometimes.
I did in September with Dattu and Adi.
So did it change anything?
Yes,
Nothing.
my
You do
receiving has
20
opened.
classes, you do 100 classes, nothing can change if your point of view doesn't change. People can't change. It's Dattu or Kamal or Adi. They cannot do anything. It's you. We just give you the tools. You have to choose these tools. What are your points of views about money? Some people have a point of view, I can't touch money because it's dirty. With that point of view, am I going to actually invite money showing up in my life? No.
No.
Choose the tool so that your life gets better, greater, and greater.
Can I say something?
Yes, go for it.
Okay. I was laying in bed, all so sick and miserable and horrible, and my head was sore and everything. And then suddenly I chose to get up and walk around. And it's like I'm feeling so light. And as I'm walking, the pain is like leaving my body. So that was my
Exactly.
choice.
Exactly. You keep lying down in your bed and you say that you want to be happy and you want to be joy and more of it every moment. Ask for it. Choose it. Just asking won't help. You have to choose it. कहाँ से आएगी? Stop looking at what is not and start looking at what is. It's not about writing your desire down and that is the answer. It's about having clarity. It's about choice. Choose every moment, choose something. Didn't work? Okay, fine. Next. Now, what next? What is it that you're asking for? What is it that you desire? What is it that will give you ease? The lightness of it will show you. Trust yourself, trust the lightness. Anything that is contracting, anything that is heavy is not true for you. It's so much easier to choose today because you know that's not true. You don't have to go into pros and cons and rights and wrongs and shoulds and coulds. You just have to choose what's light. How does it get any better than this? Isn't it easy? We all go on about our failures. Our focus is only on not failing. Our life depends on trying to not fail. What is failure anyway? Everywhere you made failure a curse, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all, please?
Yes.
It's controlling you.
Yes.
It's a constant energy that depletes you. These things cloud your mind. Have you ever realized you're picking up? Everybody is worried about money and everybody is worried about jobs and everybody is. You're picking, that's not even yours. Return it to sender. It's a mass consciousness and you are contributing to it. You're nurturing it. You're putting water to it. And you wonder, where am I picking that up from? You're a psychic sponge, Bob. You're picking it up from everyone. How often do we go, oh, I did it again. Oh, if I didn't. Oh, if I listened to this. All the shoulds and coulds and ifs and buts and reasons and justifications for what you did and didn't do. Could you please destroy and uncreate all that? You're an infinite being. You cannot make mistake. There is nothing that is a mistake. It's just a choice that didn't work. Next. Is that kindness to yourself? How unkind do you want to be to yourself? What is failure actually?
It's 9.
It is 1 minute. It is giving up at the point where you no longer have to do effort to feel like something is creating. Failure occurs because of the willingness to give up the moment before success gets there. You put a lot of energy in beginning and then you quit. What if every day, whatever you chose, you gave yourself a pact, even for something that didn't work? Hey, I'm so great at choosing what doesn't work. Can I use this energy to things what can work? What a creator I am. I create crap. And if that energy I could use to create magic, it's just energy. Vijay, it's just energy. Every failure you call, what if it was a possibility?
I'm not able to do it now. It's
Now, that sentence, I'm not able to do it now, tathastu. You will not be able to do it. Your point of view creates your reality. The moment you degrade yourself, deplete yourself, you cannot do it. You put yourself in a slot of, I'm not good enough. Then you're not good enough, darling. Okay.
I feel I have done so much. I have put so much effort.
You don't need to put so much effort. You just need to love yourself. Final. All. Is that kindness to myself? Every choice you make, you ask, is that true for me? Is that kindness to myself? And all the sentences that you said here, please pock and pod and do not repeat them. Do not repeat them. Never repeat them. You're being so unkind to yourself by blaming yourself. You have never made anything wrong. You have never made any decision wrong. It was just a choice that did not work. Next. Okay, guys, love you all so much.
Thank you.
And what is the topic
Thank
for
you
next
so
week?
much.
Kamal, did we
Symphony
do that?
possibility.
Did we do wrongness is the strongness or something?
I think we did. Last time was something,
Yes.
wrongness.
Yes, we did. We did.
So what are
Symphony
the
of possibilities. Symphony
Sorry?
of possibility. Symphony
possibilities?
of possibilities.
Okay, possibilities.
Can we do money?
Everybody, son, money. Okay.
Yes.
Possibilities with
So
money.
many points.
Let's do possibilities
Yes.
with money, and you can put possibility with job, possibility with life, possibility, anything. And the tools are the same. Okay?
Thank you so
Bye.
much. It was such a
Love you
wonderful
guys. Thank you for
Thank you.
showing up. Thank you for showing up
I
on a
just want to
Sunday
say I
morning.
feel so light. I feel so light. Thank you so much. May
I
you
am
be
so
blessed.
glad, and thank you for showing up. Love you all so very much.
Thank you.